If you want to grow a profitable YouTube channel that starts earning in dollars for you this 2024, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm about to show you 5 steps it takes to grow a YouTube channel in no time. I'm going to share everything you need to know to get started, the skills, strategies, tips and hacks. Plus, if you wait to the end of this video, I'm going to show you one secret no one wants to tell you about creating a YouTube video that goes viral. Yes, I'm about to spill the tea. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you an offer that will blow your mind. So if you are ready to grow a YouTube channel that makes money for you this year, 2024, let's dive straight in. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if making money is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. Without further ado, let's talk about how to grow a profitable YouTube channel that earns money for you every single month. So there are 5 steps it takes to grow a YouTube channel. The first one is to pick the right niche. Niche simply means topic. What exactly are you going to be talking about? So on YouTube, all niches are not born equal. There are niches that are profitable and there are niches that are not profitable. An unprofitable niche is a niche that has low CPM. CPM means cost per milli, and that is how much YouTube is willing to pay you per 1,000 views your videos get. So niches with low CPM, when those videos get 1,000 views, they earn less than $1. Whereas there are other niches that are super profitable. When such videos get 1,000 views, they earn between $5 to $15, and in some cases, $20 for 1,000 views. Now, this is why it's important to pick a profitable niche. You don't want to labor and go home with nothing. One of the niches with low CPM is comedy skits. On the other hand, some of the profitable niches include tech, business, fitness and weight loss, real estate, and the rest of them. Now, when it comes to picking a profitable niche, there are 5 core things you need to consider. I discussed these 5 things in this video. So you need to watch this video after now to understand what it takes to pick the right niche for yourself. Once you get the right niche, the second step is to do research. Researching on the niche you've settled for helps a lot in preparing you for success. So there are a number of things you need to find out even before you start learning about YouTube and making your videos. One of them is getting to know and understand your audience. Who are you going to make this video for? What exactly is their problem that you're going to solve for them? Who are your competitors? Who are the people that have been in this game before you? Now, like I always say, it doesn't matter the niche you want to play in. There are hundreds and thousands of people who are already doing well in that niche. So you want to connect with them, watch their videos, because there's a whole lot you are going to learn from them. From those channels, you'll be able to understand what works for your niche and what doesn't work. So you don't go repeating the mistakes they made. Once you get a hang on this, the third step is to get trained. Make no mistake about this. If you're going to succeed on YouTube, we need to learn a couple of digital skills that we use to grow our channels. So there are 4 simple skills you need as a YouTuber to grow a profitable YouTube channel in record time. The first one is video creation. There's a whole lot to video creation that no one tells you. There are methods of video creation, apps for video creation, tools for making videos, and ultimately 5-step processes of video creation. These are the things you need to learn and understand. The truth is, there are some people that have been on this platform for the past 3, 4, 5 years. They've not gotten up to 100 subscribers, let alone monetizing their channel. And there are people that create their YouTube channel in a space of 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months. They've grown their channel, they've gotten monetized. There's something these people know that those who are not getting results don't know. And that's why I strongly advise that you get trained once you're ready to start growing your YouTube channel. If you're wondering how do I get this training so I grow and get monetized really fast, don't worry, because I am here for you. The second skill you need to grow your channel really fast is video editing. Editing is that little thing that makes a whole lot of difference. If you're going to put up a video that your audience consider valuable and watch the video for a long time, probably watch it from beginning to the end, you need to learn video editing. Actually, it is video editing that transforms video from a basic recording to a professional content that is appealing to your target audience. Good news is there's mobile video editing. So you can actually edit your videos with this smartphone you have on your hand right now, the moment I show you exactly how it is done. So you've seen videos like this, I am talking, and then there's another video here playing. I mentioned the title of my video and you see the text showing up. Sharing of screen, adding music to the video, a whole lot of manipulations like these transitions here. You're wondering, how do we do it? It is called editing. So there are a couple of reasons why you should edit your videos. To shorten the length of your video, to cut out mistakes in the video. Video editing allows you to manipulate the video. All these are manipulations we put in place to make video appealing. And of course, that's the reason why people watch videos. So you need to learn video editing. Another important skill you need is thumbnail design. So thumbnail is that little thing that can make or break your videos. If you want to grow your channel, you need to learn how to design attractive thumbnails, because without attractive thumbnails, it doesn't matter what is said in the video. Nobody is going to watch it. Of course, you need to learn smart strategies to grow your YouTube channel. That's basically what you need to put in place as soon as you upload your video on YouTube, and even after you uploaded the video, that will make a lot of people want to watch the video, subscribe to your channel, and help you get monetized. All these are important skills you have to learn if you really want to grow a YouTube channel that starts paying you in a very short time. Guess what? All these are what I cover in my YouTube coaching program. I run 2 training programs, monthly group coaching program, otherwise known as 10-day YouTube challenge. So with this training, you learn everything you need to launch, grow, and monetize your YouTube channel in just 10 days. This training gives you access to a community of YouTubers who are growing their YouTube channel. So you get to learn on a daily basis from your colleagues as well as from me. So you want to join the next batch of this 10-day YouTube challenge, click on the first link in the description of the video or the link in the first comment to sign up. The second coaching program we have is one-on-one coaching program. This is an executive class that covers everything in the group coaching program plus more. Yeah, with a one-on-one coaching program, you have access to me and I will be there for you until your channel is monetized. Link to sign up for one-on-one coaching program is contained in the description of this video too. So once you've learned the skills and strategies of growing and monetize your channel, the next step is to launch. Launching your channel has to do with creating the channel and optimizing it. One key element of this stage is optimizing your channel so YouTube easily recognize you and be able to suggest your videos when people come on this platform looking for the kind of content you create. So when it comes to optimization, it starts with your profile picture, the banner, the about section, and a whole lot of other ones. Of course, I cover all of these in my YouTube coaching program. Before we talk about the 5th step, let me give you the secret I promised you. That is how to go viral on YouTube. So if you're a new YouTuber, you are looking to grow your channel really fast, there are 2 important things you need to pay attention to. These are the 2 things YouTube algorithm look out for when they want to promote a video to go viral. The first one is called AVD and the second one is called CTR. AVD simply means average view duration, and it has to do with the quality of the content you put out. So when people watch your video for a longer time, you get high average view duration. So in other words, average view duration simply means how long people spend watching your video on average. If you're able to get people to watch your videos for a longer time, you stand a chance of going viral on YouTube. That's because YouTube considers such content valuable. For people to stay back and watch the video for a longer time, it means that that video is valuable, and YouTube wants to show it to as many people as possible. The second thing it takes to go viral on YouTube is CTR, which means click-through rate. So this has to do with the thumbnail. When you upload your video on YouTube, is the thumbnail attractive enough to lead people to click on it? So if your thumbnail is very catchy, a lot of people are going to click on it, and with a lot of clicks, you've achieved high CTR. You want to learn how to design attractive thumbnail. There are a couple of rules that guide attractive thumbnail that you need to learn and implement them. And of course, you learn everything about thumbnail creation in this 10-day challenge. And finally, the 5th step is channel promotion. If you're going to grow on YouTube, you need to promote your videos, you need to promote your channel. This channel promotion has to do with SEO. It has to do with everything you do from the moment you're uploading the video, what you do after the video is uploaded that gets a lot of eyeballs on your videos. So there are 10 smart strategies you need to implement to grow your YouTube channel from 0 subscribers to 100, 1,000 subscribers and get monetized. One of these strategies is using the social media, and that has to do with what you do to promote your video on other social media platforms where you are already popular, that will drive the traffic from that platform to your YouTube videos. So these strategies are what I teach in the 10-day challenge, explaining each and every one of them in details with relevant example. So by the time you're done with this program, you'll be able to go out there, create, optimize your YouTube channel, launch, grow and monetize this channel in record time. I hope you got value from this. See you in my next video. Bye.